YouTube, I'm here. Fuck you. Subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. I'm a dickhole.
Buckle up.
Okay, I have an idea. Yesterday I went to the beach and I collected a bunch of stuff and I wanted to make some arrows just because I'm trying to make something every day and I didn't get to finish that, so I did something really low effort. But I've still got this nice stick from the beach that I whittled and I'm gonna break apart a mouse and a couple other things and make a weird piece, which is an arrow made out of disassembled digital parts. So, why did I decide to do this project? I don't really know. Yesterday, when we were at the beach, I wanted to make some arrows. Just because I wanted to make something and that seemed doable. But sometime last night, I had kind of like a dream about technology and it kind of taking over everything. So, kind of came up with the idea of like connecting a chip and having the chip be sort of the arrowhead on like a stylized arrow, which I think is like a little more interesting than my original idea, which was just to make an arrow. So you can see that I've used the copper wire from this mouse, which I destroyed from inside the USB cable. There's actually quite a lot of wires in it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually kind of interesting to disassemble these things and see what's inside. Okay, so I am making the fins for this. So they're supposed to look kind of like this. What I'm going to do is cut them out of some plastic, which I'll show you in a second. But this is the design. By the way, this smells horrible. That's what it looks like without this stuff on it. You gotta peel it off. So I used a piece of tape to hold the back parts in place while I did the front. So now we're getting a little bit closer. Let's see. Almost there. The aftermath. Croy. There's our little guy. I don't have any video of when I was working on taking the photos for this project, but I'll just show you the photos. It's always kind of a pain in the ass to do photos or videos of a photo shoot when I'm the only person doing it, so usually avoid it.